What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a huge day here in Nashville as Donald Trump is getting ready to speak at Bitcoin Nashville. We're all going to be heading out there very soon. But in this video, I need to give you guys an update on the price of Shiba Inu. Is it finally ready to break out? And there are a lot of really nice technical indicators that we're going to highlight and go over in this video that shows that it could be happening soon. Now, the growing sentiment around the altcoin market is that as we head into Q4 and Q1 of next year, that we'll start to see the rotation of capital finally, hopefully, right? We got a lot of hopium right now because it's crazy. The altcoin market just has not been able to really move outside of some narratives like, of course, meme coins and RWA and AI. We haven't seen the blue chips really take full reins of this market just yet. And it's been a lot, I think, because of Bitcoin ETFs and Ethereum ETFs, institutional demand kind of flowing into these assets. And we just don't have a lot of retail yet back in crypto. But with potential rate cuts coming in September, with the election coming up, which I think they're going to be propping up the economy, people may have some more money to cycle through riskier assets. And I think SHIB could be well positioned here, especially with Ethereum ETFs. Keep in mind, Shiba Inu is still the largest ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, right? You've got SHIB and Pepe. I think both are going to look really good once Ethereum finds price discovery, breaks through its previous all-time high. But with that being said, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below. Also, you could trade Shiba Inu, all of the top assets on Margex. You see the logo up there at the top right corner. Links down below. You can get access up to $10,000 in USDT. You're going to get a 20% sign-on bonus when you use my link. A lot of people trading over at Margex. If you're a serious leverage trader, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Links down below to Margex. Definitely check it out. So let's get into the article here, and I want to highlight just a few things. We're not going to read this verbatim or anything like that, but I want to highlight a couple key important things here on the on the technical side of SHIB. Okay. With its price getting up to the upper edge of a descending wedge, which we can see right here on this chart, things are looking very interesting. It's poised for a big move. Now, we're either going to get a big push to the downside or upside. And I think with the growing positive sentiment in the market, we could be getting ready for a big move to the upside, like we saw in March, where SHIB went up 100+%, literally in like a 2.5 week span. Remember, though, that there's a chance SHIB could reverse course and retrace its losses back inside the wedge, okay? Anytime you have a descending wedge, it's usually a bullish pattern, but there's always different scenarios that could play out. That's the thing. When we talk about TA in crypto, it's not bulletproof, right? It's just a tool. So SHIB has been on the downward trajectory since its peak earlier this year, where we topped out at that 4 level. If you take us back into March, it has been on a little downslide. There is bearish momentum when the 50 EMA is above the price that we're currently at. This level could indicate the start of a bullish phase, though, for SHIB long term. And if we take a look at some of the technicals here, the moving averages don't look great, but we're not far off from looking really good. Okay, we are literally on the heels of recapturing the 10-day, the 20-day, the 30-day, the 50-day, a little bit further out from the 100 and 200-day, but it's not going to take much at all. Literally, our simple moving average 200-day is right at the 2-0 flat level. We're sitting at 1732. All it's going to take is a little pop in the market, and SHIB could recapture and regain a lot of momentum here. Year to date, we're still up 67%, and year over year, up 122%. Now, another thing we could be watching here is XT Algo. We got the momentum up on the daily not too long ago, but it was short-lived. We're waiting for really a nice confirmation that we're in an uptrend. And if you guys want to know when exactly that is, XT Algo is my trading indicator. It will tell you when exactly we're getting ready to break out. And this thing is not bulletproof. Nothing is, but it's super accurate. And it's helped a ton of people, hundreds of people already who've signed up and are using XT Algo. And it's soon to be thousands, guys, because this tool is just unbelievable in terms of giving you guys a good indication when a chart is getting ready to break out. You could set customized alerts. XT Algo, the links are down below. Do not miss out on this opportunity, because when we get into a full-fledged bull cycle, you're going to want to have this tool at your disposal. The cool thing about this is, too, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I mentioned you can easily set up your own custom alerts. And this is for anything crypto, stocks, Forex, precious metals, whatever you want to trade, as long as it's on TradingView. And I walk you through how this works. I give you a step-by-step tutorial. And right now, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can literally try this for free for 30 days and get a full refund. So it's essentially free, risk-free for 30 days. You'll get your money back if you don't like it. Links are down below. I think you're absolutely crazy for not giving it a shot. If you don't use my indicator, use somebody else's. But I highly encourage you guys to check out XT Algo. It is just going to make you a much, much more successful trader in the long run for sure. Now, coming back to the article, we talked about the 200-day EMA and the 100-day EMA, big next resistance levels. And again, they're not far away here, but they're crucial to keep an eye on as we enter this upcoming week. Additional insights can be obtained from on-chain data showing that whales have been slowly accumulating over the past few weeks, which is always good to see. It's not strong enough to counterbalance the bearish exchange signals right now, but it's not going to take much. Once we flip that 100-day and 200-day moving average, things get really interesting quickly here for SHIB, and that's where we could see the real big move to the upside. A total of 51% of holders right now in SHIB are profitable at this current price. Not too bad. This is according to token summary data, and around 47% are not profitable, and that small amount remaining are about at break-even point right now. This could result in more pressure to sell from people trying to offset their losses in the short term. But again, as soon as we flip that 100-day and 200-day moving average, that's where we can really look to see, I think, some big push and momentum to the upside right now. If we take a look at the overall market too and kind of where SHIB is situated before we close out the video. And by the way, if you haven't hit the like button, definitely do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely do that as well. But Bitcoin is up 2+% right now. It's up to almost $68,700, guys. Very quietly, Bitcoin is making some serious moves here. Ethereum's back up to 3,300. We are in the greed zone on the Fear and Greed Index. And Solana, how about Sol? This thing has just continued to crush, up 5% right now and 10% in the last 7 days. XRP above 60 cents right now. Dogecoin doing okay. Here's SHIB sandwiched between Polkadot and Avalanche, sitting at the 13th spot. We're back over a $10 billion market cap, sitting here up 3.62% in the last 24 hours. Solid volume, too, of around 184 million here on SHIB. So that is where we are right now, the current state of Shiba Inu, the current price action. That's what we're looking for. Again, check out all the links down below. If you're interested in leverage trading, I got you there with Margex. If you're interested in a trading indicator that works, a tool to have in your toolbox to help you make more money in this bull run, that's XT Algo. All the links are down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.